Traders, we have Caterpillar, CAT, and everybody knows on July 18th that we put the short out at 350 up here. We came down, we tested the major moving average of the 50, we undercut the 100, we rally up. Now we added the 350 puts on Caterpillar. That's this one right here, 350 traders. Yeah, how do you love it? Remember when we bought it at $12. It hit a high of 33. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. We call you out to the trading room. We want to show you everything we're showing you now. We want to make you money. We want to see you happy. That's what we want to do. And that only happens when you're on the right side of the trade. Now, take a look at the chart reversal below the 100-day right here. We came below the 50, the 150-day. We undercut it. We will look at going long at the 200-day as long as the setup is good. I can say that we are in a daily sell signal, but we are also getting oversold when we're going to test that 200-day. Sign up. Let's make money, man. Let's get rolling.